Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best 1600-watt fully modular power supply, the Corsair AX1600i. This beast brings extreme power and precision to your PC build. Let's get started. Product features: unmatched efficiency. With an 80+ titanium rating, it delivers over 94% efficiency. Less wasted energy means lower bills, less heat, and a greener system for your powerful rig. Premium build quality. Everything inside uses top-tier components, Japanese 105°C capacitors, and gallium nitride transistors. Built for durability and stable performance, even under heavy load. Digital design and control. Through Corsair Link software, you can monitor voltages, efficiency, adjust fan curves, and switch over current modes on the fly. Real-time control is at your fingertips. Ultra-stable power delivery. 1600 watts of continuous, clean, stable power with minimal ripple and noise. Perfect for overclocked systems, render workstations, or multi-GPU gaming PCs needing rock-solid supply. Compact and efficient design. GaN transistors allow high performance in a smaller form factor. Fits snugly in many cases without compromise, while still delivering extreme performance. Pros: outstanding efficiency with titanium rating, top quality capacitors and GaN architecture, full digital control via Corsair Link software, consistent, ultra-stable power output, smaller footprint despite 1600-watt capacity, ideal for demanding gaming and workstation builds. Cons: requires strong cooling and airflow in cases. Link software features may overwhelm beginners. Needs quality cables and connectors. Slight coil whine possible under light load. Final thoughts. The Corsair AX1600i is a true flagship power supply for those who demand excellence. Its titanium efficiency, digital control, and premium components justify its place in high-end PCs. If you're building a powerhouse rig and want reliability, performance, and flexibility, this is one of the best choices you can make. Ready to power your dream build with class? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more power gear and tech insights.